Today's English lesson is all about something really useful: how to write a paragraph that explains a process. Whether it's explaining how to cook something or how to do a task, this type of paragraph is straightforward, fun, and practical. Let's break it down step by step. Have you ever tried to explain how to make your favorite dish or complete a task like cleaning your room or planting a flower? If so, you were already writing a process, even if you didn't realize it. That's exactly what today's lesson is about: explaining how to do something clearly and in the correct order. We'll explore how to write a paragraph that guides someone through a set of steps, using time words like first, then, and finally. Stick with us, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Let's think together. What are some things you know how to do? Maybe cooking eggs, making tea, or washing a bike? Think about the steps you would follow. How would you explain them to someone else? Keep that in mind as we dive into today's lesson. A process analysis paragraph is a type of writing that shows how something is done. It explains a task step by step, telling the reader what to do first, what comes next, and how to finish the task. In this kind of paragraph, each step is clearly described in the order it happens. This is called chronological order, which means listing things in the same order that you do them. You also use time words like first, then, next, after that, finally. These words help the reader understand when each step happens. At the end of the paragraph, there's usually a clear result: what happens when the task is completed. Let's go over the key features again, simply. A process analysis paragraph shows the steps of a task or process, lists each step in the correct time order, uses time-related words to signal sequence, ends with a clear final result. To really understand this, let's look at an example paragraph. How to plant a sunflower seed. Process analysis paragraph. Planting a sunflower seed. Planting a sunflower seed is simple if you follow the steps carefully. First, choose a sunny place. Sunflowers grow best in full sunlight. Next, take a small shovel and dig a hole about 2 or 3 centimeters deep. Then, place 1 sunflower seed in the hole. After that, cover the seed with soil and press it down gently, but not too hard. Now, water the soil. Pour a little water on the spot so that it is moist, but not too wet. After a few days, a small green shoot will appear. This is the baby plant. Keep giving it sunlight and water every day. After several weeks, you will see a tall sunflower with a big yellow face. That's the happy result of your hard work. Paragraph analysis. Topic sentence. Planting a sunflower seed is simple if you follow the steps carefully. Topic: planting a sunflower seed. Main idea: it's a simple task. Controlling idea: if the steps are followed correctly. Grammar note: present simple tense with conditional clause, if you follow. Supporting sentences. Sentence 1. First, choose a sunny place. Sunflowers grow best in full sunlight. Supports the topic by introducing step 1. Transition used. First. Supports the main idea. This step clearly and simply begins the process, demonstrating that small actions lead to successful planting. Grammar note: present simple tense. Sentence 2. Next, take a small shovel and dig a hole about 2 or 3 centimeters deep. Transition used. Next. Introduces step 2. preparing the ground so the seed can be planted properly. Supports the main idea. This step is easy to do and shows that planting stays simple if you follow each step. Grammar. Imperative mood. Take. Dig. We use the imperative to give instructions, commands, or advice. It uses the base form of the verb, no to, no subject. Sentence 3. Then place 1 sunflower seed in the hole. Transition. Then introduces step 3, putting the seed into the prepared hole so the planting can begin. Supports the main idea. This short, direct instruction adds to the step-by-step simplicity the topic sentence promises. Grammar. Imperative mood continues. Sentence 4. After that, cover the seed with soil and press it down gently, but not too hard. Introduces step 4, protecting the seed by covering it with soil while being careful not to damage it. Supports the main idea. Emphasizes that simple care and attention in each step make the overall process easy to follow. Transition used. After that. Sentence 5. Now water the soil. Pour a little water so that it is moist, not too wet. Introduces step 5, giving the seed water so it can start to grow. Now tells us it is time to do the next step. Supports the main idea. Shows that the task is easy because the instructions are clear and simple to follow. Sentence 6. After a few days, a small green shoot will appear. This is the baby plant. Shows the result of previous steps. Transition. After a few days. Supports the main idea. It shows that if you follow the steps, you will see success and feel proud of your work. Sentence 7. Keep giving it sunlight and water every day. Ongoing care instruction. Supports the main idea. Reminds the reader that the task remains simple as long as the routine is followed, one step at a time. Grammar. Keep plus verb plus ing shows continuity. Concluding sentence. After several weeks, you will see a tall sunflower with a big yellow face. That's the happy result of your hard work. Supports the main idea. This sentence shows that following all the small steps leads to success. It proves that planting is easy when someone shows you what to do. Grammar. Future tense. You will see. Use will to say what happens at the end. Vocabulary and style. The words in this paragraph are easy and common. Nouns, things. Seed, soil, plant, water, sunlight. Action words. Dig, put, cover, pour, grow. Describing words. Sunny, small, soft, tall, yellow. The sentences are short and give clear instructions. The steps go in time order, first to last. Try it yourself. Now it's your turn. Write a process paragraph titled, How to Make Your Favorite Drink. And that's how you master process writing, one step at a time. Try your own paragraph now, and remember, great writing is just great thinking made visible. Follow for more smart, simple English tips.